Hello YouTubers, I'm Parvez and this is our 25th video in wxPython GUI Application Development. In the previous video we have learned how you can create a slider in wxPython. So this is from the previous video, and in this video I want to show you how you can create tables or grids in wxPython. So I have created a new Python file and I'm going to just copy my window code and paste it in here. Just change the title to tables or grids like this. Okay, now if I run this, you can see I have a nice window. So now in the panel, and first you need to import, we are going to import wx.grid as grid. And now in the panel class, we are going to create our grid. So I'm going to create a new my grid variable and grid.grid and give it self. After this, we are going to create the grid create grid. And now in here you can give the number of rows and columns. So I want it should be 26 by 9. This is the one is number of rows and second one is number of columns. So after this, I'm going to create a box sizer, a vertical box sizer. I'm going to wx.boxsizer and wx.vertical. Okay, after this, after creating our box sizer, we are going to add our this grid to the sizer dot add, and we are going to add my grid 1 and we need to expand it like this. Okay, and after this, set your sizer, self dot set sizer. Okay, now this is our simple code. Let me just run it, and yeah, you can see I have a nice grid, or we can call it tables. Yeah, you can write in the grid. It has if you we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 9 columns and about 26 rows. So by this you can create your grids or tables, and there are a lot of things that we can do with grid, and I will show you in the next videos. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos, don't forget subscription of my channel and also liking of the video.